Hello everyone, I'm Tobi. Today I will draw a mother shark and baby shark. Let's draw together.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.